Okay, now for this second video, the last one for a bit that I'm going to be uploading, we're going to be looking at representing combined probabilities with diagrams. This one's much shorter. It's only going to be 2 slides, but this one will start off with a Venn diagram in which a sample space is represented by a rectangle, and within the rectangle, each event is represented by a set of outcomes in a circle shape that is labeled accordingly. So imagine this top one as a rectangle here, and then we have these two events, A and B. This denotes an intersection between A and B, which usually means that both both A and B will occur at the same time, and that you can see right here they will occur together due to the overlap. While down here in this rectangle here, we can see a union with A and B, in which it's A or B. So either A will occur or B will occur, or both of them will occur equally. So this side would be shaded if A or B to occur. This one would be shaded if both of them would be occurring, or this one would be shaded if B would be to occur. Now, after this Venn diagram, we have the sample space diagram, which represents a whole sample space, usually in the form of a table. This one is a specific example that I'm using, in which you're flipping a coin and rolling a 6-sided die. Sorry. And in this situation, when you roll a die and flip a coin, if you land on heads, it adds 1 to the value that you got on the die. But if you flip tails, it doubles the value you got on the die. So the results for each outcome are represented in this table right here. So you can see both of them, if they rolled a 1 and either landed on heads or tails, it would be a 2. But when we move to 2, you would add 1 from the heads, so that would make it a 3. But for tails, you would multiply it by 4. And so on and so forth, and resulting in this current pattern. I know this video is much shorter, but but some of the stuff that I've explained here, such as with the intersection and union, I will be explaining further in 7.3, which will come out much later. Apologies for that. And thank you for listening to this one, although it was much shorter.